Welcome to the second video in the Master JavaScript. We're going to talk about the basic syntax and rule, so sit tight and relax. First, let's open your favorite code editor and create a file with the extension JS. In JavaScript, function name, for example, console.log is not a console with a capital C or console.log with a capital L. 3 keywords to define the variables in JavaScript: let, var, concept. If you want to know the difference between them, let me know in the comments section. Naming variables, keywords, function must follow the following simple rules. First, using letter from A to Z, small or capital. Second, using $sign at the beginning, also fine. Third, using underscore with the names, also fine. Something to clear is that JavaScript case sensitive, for example, last name with a capital L and last name with a small l are two different variables. Numbers can be started with or without a decimal. Strings can be defined with a single or double quotes. There are a few standard ways that can be followed when declaring variables and the function. First, call underscore, which is, for example, last underscore name. Second, call upper camel case, that each word can start with the first capital letter. Third, call lower camel case, that almost the same as the second one, except that the first word can start with a smaller letter. Be careful that you can't use a hyphen for declaration because the JavaScript can consider it as a subtraction operation. Using a math operators in JavaScript is possible. Division, multiply, subtraction, summation, except the equal sign because it's going to be used for assign a variable a new value. To clarify the logic or describe the function in the code, you can do it for one line using a / then the commit. For multiple line commits, using / followed by asterisk and close it with the opposite way and write the commit between them. Hopefully this video was easy to understand, not causing any nightmare for you. And that was everything in this video. If you have any question or doubt about this topic, let me know in the comment section. Peace and see you in next one.